Hi, this is Scott with Airmax, here to talk about Airmax Algae Defense. Controlling algae growth is one of the most challenging tasks a pond owner faces. Sunshine, warm temperatures, and a small amount of available nutrients can easily trigger growth. So it's critical to keep floating and submerged algae in check before it gets out of control. Airmax Algae Defense helps you regain control over algae in your pond. Algae Defense can be applied directly to both floating and bottom-forming algae such as planktonic green water algae, filamentous mat-forming algae, or bottom-growing Chara and Nutella. For best results, apply Algae Defense while algae is growing. 1 gallon of Algae Defense can treat up to 8,000 square feet. Always reference the product label for appropriate protective equipment and application rates. Mix the appropriate amount of Algae Defense and pond water into a tank sprayer according to the product label. For best results, add Treatment Booster Plus. Treatment Booster Plus is a surfactant that enhances the effectiveness of treatments by breaking the water surface tension and helping the application penetrate into the algae. Add 2 fluid ounces of Treatment Booster Plus for every 1 gallon of treatment solution. Agitate the treatment solution into the tank sprayer to ensure a proper mixture. Adjust your spray nozzle and pump your sprayer just enough to produce a coarse spray. To minimize drift and bounce back of the spray, do not overpressurize the sprayer. Apply good coverage to the target algae for best results. For deeper water or areas where bottom-growing Chara is dense, place the tank sprayer's tip beneath the water surface. In as little as 24 hours, the treated algae will begin to brown and die. Results from bottom-growing Chara can take 7 to 10 days. Algae Defense carries no water use restrictions, making it great for freshwater lakes, potable water reservoirs, and game fish ponds. Algae Defense should not be used in ponds containing koi, goldfish, or trout, unless carbonate hardness is above 50 parts per million. Water treated with Algae Defense can be used immediately for recreational activities, drinking, watering livestock, crop irrigation, golf courses, ornamental plantings, and turf areas. For more information, contact your local dealer or visit us online at airmaxeco.com.